Hey, how's it going? Have another unboxing. It's going to be a company. This is my first time trying these boards. It's going to be from Harderwood. Let's check it out. So I did pick up a few boards. It's two different graphics. I picked up an extra one of the graphics. I'm going to set that one up. These are going to be a symmetrical shape. So let's check them out. So they came in this little envelope right here. Ooh. This one has a little thank you. It says, thanks for the support, Jonathan. Cheers, from Brett. We're gonna open this one first. All right, so inside the pack, we got, let's see, I know his boards come with the secret tape. Yeah, so we got this little pack right here that has some stickers and the sheet of the secret tape. And then here is the board. Oh, I like that graphic. So this graphic right here is called Totem 2. This is going to be one of the ones that I got extra of, so I can set this one up first. Let's see, got the stickers, the grip tape. Here's the second copy. This one right here is called Series 3 Perp Lime. It's got this really cool totem, like a bear head, I guess is what that's supposed to be. And I like this one a lot. Just from the packaging, the boards look really, really nice. Let's see, which one of you am I setting up first? So we'll go ahead and open up the little pack that has the stickers and the sheet of grip tape. Blank back. This really cool sandwich graphic on the front. Got the secret tape sticker. We got 3 of the thick cake. Oh, it could be pie. I thought it was cake. You know what? It could be cake. Or pie. One of them. Either way, I really like this graphic. On his website, there's in the coming soon section, there's a few different colorways of this thick graphic, and I really, really like them. Out of the 3, this is my favorite one. There's this one that says Harderwood, this Bone Daddy one, and this guy. The little owl totem, I guess is what it is. That's pretty cool. I like that guy. And then the included sheet of some 0.5mm secret tape. I haven't tried secret tape before, but since this is the first time I'm trying these decks, I am going to go with what I am familiar with. So that way I give the board a fair shot. So, you know, I'll try the secret tape, but not right now. So I'll set you there. Y'all can scoot over. And here is the board that we'll be setting up today. Here's the front. We got some cool graphics right there. Insert. I'll show the insert. Here's the back of it that has all the deck specs. Something super, super appreciated because I do my best to remember everything. But yeah, this is cool. So it says series, size, color, shape, mold, and then some emojis. It is going to be the Totem 2. The size of the board is going to be 34.98. It is the classic mold. What else? Shape is popsicle. One more time. So here's a better look at that insert. Super, super cool. And here is the deck. I'm going to start with the top ply. The graphic, it is Totem 2. You'll see why I'm out of breath. Not out of breath, whatever. The plies, I see pink and purple, and then some maple with the maple top ply. And here's the top ply. It's got my name. My name! That's cool. That's really cool. That's really cool. That is a huge surprise. Thank you, Brett. Do the other ones have them? Do I want to set this up? Of course I do. Of course I want to set this up. First, I'm going to take a picture. So here's the board all set up. Got black velvet on top. We're going with dynamic trucks. These are going to be the Joycolt 3.0 Classics, the Drank colorway. Just because I thought the purple that it turns into would look really good with this graphic right here. And of course we are using a 34mm classic mold Harderwood deck. The board itself, putting it together, the holes were drilled straight. The sanding feels fantastic. And it can kickflip. Don't mind me, those are just my weird style. Let's... Ooh. So yeah, just from flipping it a little bit, I can already tell I'm gonna really like this board. $34.98 is like my ideal width to length when it comes to fingerboards. But man, there's something else about this deck. I think the tail touched. The tail did not touch on that one. So this was my first order from Harderwood. The decks, they feel fantastic. The deck construction, you know, you can just hang out right there then. The deck construction, the craftsmanship, it's all there. The board, it feels amazing. The kicks are going to be medium with like a medium concave. But I don't know. I guess it's because I'm so used to like a deeper concave. To me, it feels mellow, but there's definitely a good amount of concave there. And I also like that it's a symmetrical shape. And I really, really like the artwork on here. And I really appreciate you engraving my name on the decks. On the top plat, I did look at these ones without opening them. I kind of bent the little insert in there trying to see it. But yeah, that is a really, really nice touch, and I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yeah, like I said, this was my first order. Definitely won't be the last. There is a really cool collab with Nosego coming out, I want to say by the end of February. There's not an exact date, but there's going to be 9 graphics. So super excited to see. He did preview, I think, 4 of them so far. And if you want to take a look at them / keep up to date with what he has going on and stay on top of when that collab does happen, I'll have his Instagram down in the description below, as well as his website. My Instagram will be down there too. Do with that information what you will. That'll do it for now. Take it easy. Have a good one.